Now, your 9 Storm Track weather forecast.
A very wet winter storm is on the way for tomorrow. We're tracking a few changes for the end of the week. Here's what else we're looking at. Bright and breezy Thursday in store, and then mild temperatures will be returning again, similar to today on Friday. Let's take a look outside. Right now you can see a little bit of precipitation, but most of it is clearing out of the area. Some sunshine works back in for the afternoon. Zooming up, you can see just some light drizzle, some flakes and flurries near the northern Wisconsin border. But we just took a look outside not too long ago. Rhinelander showing some abundant sunshine now moving into the area. As you zoom off to the west and southwest, you'll notice quite a mess of rain, snow and sleet, and all of that is headed our way for the bulk of tomorrow. As we mentioned, our winter storm watch has now been moved into a winter storm warning for much of us. You can see in the pink here that warning extends across the area. Winter weather advisory for those in the purple. If you're traveling down in the southwest, blizzard advisory are in effect as well, blizzard warning. As we are expecting quite a bit of activity outside tomorrow. Here's a look at our snow potential for Wednesday. We're looking at an isolated 8 to 10 inches across the central part of central Wisconsin. Now that is an isolated, which means even if you are within the purple, there's still a chance you'll get a little bit less. But that is where the most consistent snow will be falling throughout tomorrow. 5 to 8 inches for the vast majority of central and northern Wisconsin, especially extending off to the west. And then the rest of the region looking at less than 5 inches. Maybe 1 to 2 for areas down to the southeast that'll see much more rainfall. Now we'll be able to track that out here on Future Track and show you as the storm arrives why we're going to be seeing so much snowfall. We have temperatures here right around freezing. That allows the air to carry much more precipitation. You can see we do have a pretty large system moving in. Some heavier rain showers moving into parts of the area by Wednesday 9 o'clock in the morning. There's that heavy snow right behind it off to the west. So by about noon tomorrow, we're looking at a very wet mess here south of about the Wausau area with multiple rain showers. We'll see that sleet mix here right across central Wisconsin around noon as well. And there's that heavier snow. You can see those darker blues within the picture here. Now, as we track into the afternoon, we'll slowly move into more snowfall across the areas. The rain starting to turn into sleet, sleet starting to turn into snow, and of course the snow will continue. The heaviest snow we'll see is towards the later afternoon to early evening. You can see multiple bands of dark blue here, leading to multiple heavy snow showers. On top of this, we're also looking at some gusty winds. Now that tracks out by about 8 o'clock or 10 o'clock to about midnight as we track into our Thursday, and then Thursday should have some brighter skies. Numbers today, we had 51 in Wausau. That is about 10 degrees above average for this time of year. Overnight forecast tonight drops us down to 35. That's why we will have that mix of rain, snow, and sleet. Our forecast tomorrow, 38 degrees, winds up to 30 miles per hour. Extended forecast remains in the 30s with sunshine on Thursday, 48 degrees for our Friday. Not bad. Seasonal for the weekend.